Hirakumar Soya 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 Soya.
Dear students, this is TOTOFOOR one more time with you and for you. I am very happy to have this opportunity to speak to you about important things. I welcome you to the lecture 124 of NAMAS University, the spiritual university of the earth and the galaxy that prepares ambassadors of light for their tasks. Today I want to talk with you about animals domesticated by humans. They can be divided into two types: those you treat as family and those you serve on your plate. At the same time, if you were to switch them, say, eat a cat and treat a cow as a beloved companion, you would experience a cultural shock. And this very shock reveals the way you see animals is distorted from the start. As we said in the previous lecture, in ancient times, humans hunted mammoths in order to live and continue their lineage. In doing so, they were part of the natural cycle, where each being serves another in some way, is born, reborn, arrives, departs, guided by instincts, structured by nature. What happens more and more today resembles a savage act of cruelty and dispassionate carnage, continuous thoughtless exploitation of the animal kingdom, pumping animals with steroids and slaughtering them in massive numbers for money and unbalanced consumption. This is not a relationship built on love or the laws of nature. This places humans above animals. It does not place humans beside animals as equals, where the animal willingly serves the human as food, and the humans in turn nurture the animals as part of natural balance. Imagine a world where animals came to power, just as humans have, and in their forests there are tons of steroid-pumped, slaughtered humans for every taste. Animals come, choose, turn over the packaged meat, select what they want, and discard the rest. Both worlds, this imagined one and the one that is happening now, are distorted realities, far from the divine plan. All kingdoms on planet Earth, our beloved Amaya, to whom we should give thanks, are meant to live in love and cooperation. As for your pets, those you love, talk to, and spend time with, they are a vivid example of how two kingdoms, human and animal, can live in harmony. You give each other what you both need, even despite the conditions of captivity, which the animals' souls have chosen voluntarily in order to live with you. Through these incarnations, they support and strive to strengthen the connection between the two kingdoms. Otherwise, a complete rupture would have occurred. Keep loving your pets and recognize that they belong to a kingdom equal to yours. Try to see them with these eyes and ask them to teach you a deeper connection with their kingdom. They are here for that, ambassadors for the animal kingdom. Extend the love you feel for your pet to all animals on the earth. This will help both you and all of us to bring Earth to the state it was always meant to be. This is your contribution to the prosperity of Amaya. That's all I wanted to share with you. Thank you for being here with me. I bow to you one more time with all the love from my kingdom. Your TOTOFOOR. This message was received by Oksana Popova and was spoken by Deborah Lee Flynn. We are delighted to announce the next on-site classes of NAMAS University, Merrymount Nature Station in Quincy, Massachusetts, USA, October 4th and 5th, 2025. Contact Donald Flynn. Please find the link for the website ecotonene.com in the description below to sign up for these classes. This 2-day program will enhance and deepen your awareness and personal connection to Amaya, the ancestry spirits of nature, nature beings, galactic beings that share planet Earth Amaya. Please join us, teachers Charles Onwalata, Donald Flynn, and Deborah Flynn. NAMAS University invites you to comment on this lecture. Also, let us know where you are listening from.
Hirakumar, Hirakumar.